The man was passing by the entrance to the village when he suddenly heard strange cries coming from the dumpster. He approached out of curiosity, only to find the dumpster empty. However, he soon noticed a bag next to it and decided to open it to see what was going on. Sure enough, there were several puppies hidden in the bag, and these puppies were young and pitiful that it would have been difficult for them to survive if they had not been taken care of. In order to help these puppies, the man decided to go door to door and ask if anyone was willing to adopt them. So he knocked on the door of a nearby home and asked the woman if she had abandoned the dogs. But the woman said the puppies were not owned by her family. Since the man was about to leave the village for a few days, he asked the woman to help him keep the puppies temporarily and pick them up when he returned. However, the woman confessed that she already had dogs at home and did not want to add to the burden. After much persuasion by the man, the woman finally reluctantly agreed. In order to express his gratitude, the man offered to pay some remuneration, but the woman at first firmly refused. After some push and pull, the woman reluctantly accepted the money. If you also want the puppy to be adopted, please leave your precious suggestions.